Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the dual slot quick battery charger unit with a Pixel 30W NPF battery fast charger for NPF 550, F570, F75, F770, F930, F950, etc. And P series FM50, FM500Q, M71, QM91, etc. So many battery types of out there for camcorders, for LED sports, for flashlights, etc. can be charged in this quick battery charger unit. And in my case, here are two NPF 7970 batteries included. That means the NPF 970 batteries comes with a big power boost of 8,400 milliampere hour. And this is a lot. You are also able to charge the NPF 970, these are 8,400 milliampere hours, in 4.5 hours with this device, or you can load the NPF 750 within 2.9 hours, or the smaller charging time for the NPF 550. These are about 2,900 milliampere hours. That will come full charged in 1.5 hours. That means you have here a powerful Pixel 30 watt powerful loading device, battery charging unit. Awesome, really awesome, because these batteries are for so widely used things suited for Sony NPF series batteries, such as the NPF 970, 750, 77, 960, 550, 530, 330, F570, and the CCDS C55 TRS, TR516, TR716, TR818, TR910, TR917, and so many more. The only thing you have to do is that the shape of your batteries is the same, and then you are able to get the power back into your batteries. Oh yeah. In the box are one time the 30 watt powered AC adapter, one time dual channel changer, and of course in my case, because in Germany they are selling with two batteries included. Oh, and these batteries are really big, and this is a long time running LED flash for me, because I'm using this to get an LED spot supported with power with this kind of batteries. You have a smart power indication. Red lights flash once, show charged. 25% flash twice means charge 50%. Flash 3 times indicates the charge of 75, and it turns blue, that indicates the charge of 100%. You have an intelligent safe system here. Quick charge with automatic contact current control prevents battery from overcharging, over discharging, over temperature, and over current, and over voltage, and short circuit, and electric shock. This is what you need if you have a Sony camcorder, for example, or you have a flashlight in an external flashlight, or like me, I'm using the LED lamps with it. This is an LED spot for my video, which supports my video in a good and powerful light, as shown in this video here. For example, my LED spots right and left are now on too. Awesome. And this is really cool because now I have 3 batteries, 1 small tiny battery and 2 of these large batteries of the Pixel. Nice device, easy to use, job's done. The only thing you have to do is push the battery in position, slide it into the contact area on the upper side. Slot 1, slot 2, 2 batteries are loading immediately. Job's done. Of course, you will need a little bit of time. If you have the big one, 4.5 hours. If you have the small, tiny one, 1.5 hours. Or the medium-sized one, 2.9 hours. And you have all what you need. The charging thing is red. The full charge is blue. Job's done. You can see what indicates the LEDs on the device. It is more stable installation side. Upgraded positive and negative pole, lock your battery more tighten. And this is right. It is really stable. You can put it in there and it will rest there. You are safe from electronic shock, short circuit protection, over current protection, over temperature, over voltage, and overcharging protection. That means your batteries will have a long journey to the end of the life of the battery. And it's full compatible to Sony batteries. Yeah, and I like it really much. And so thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.